Our solar system is a vast and mysterious place, filled with countless wonders and secrets waiting to be uncovered. From the blazing sun at its center to the icy comets on its fringes, the solar system is a dynamic and ever-changing environment. We are constantly making new discoveries, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. Every day, astronomers and scientists work tirelessly, peering through powerful telescopes and analyzing data to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. In 2003, a significant discovery was made. Astronomers found a new moon orbiting Jupiter, one of the largest planets in our solar system. This moon was named Mneme, after one of the Greek muses, symbolizing memory and remembrance. Mneme, also known as Jupiter XL, is one of the many moons that orbit the gas giant. Each of these moons has its own unique characteristics and stories to tell. This particular moon is very far away from Jupiter, making it a challenge to observe and study. Its distance from the planet means that it has a unique orbit and behavior compared to the other moons. To see Mneme, we need powerful telescopes and advanced technology. These instruments allow us to capture detailed images and gather valuable data about this distant moon. Mneme is a special moon, with unique features that set it apart from the others. Its surface is covered with craters and ridges, telling a story of its formation and history. Studying Mneme helps us learn more about Jupiter and its complex system of moons. By understanding Mneme, we gain insights into the processes that shape Jupiter and its many satellites. Scientists are still studying Mneme, using the latest technology and methods to uncover its secrets. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding this enigmatic moon. They want to learn more about its secrets, hoping to unlock the mysteries of its origin and its role in the broader context of our solar system. The journey of discovery continues as we strive to understand the universe we live in. Mneme travels around Jupiter in a very interesting way. Unlike many other moons, Mneme has a unique and captivating orbit that sets it apart. This small moon, named after one of the Greek muses, has an orbit that intrigues astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. It orbits in the opposite direction of Jupiter's rotation. This means that while Jupiter spins one way, Mneme moves the other way. This unusual movement is not common among moons, and is a fascinating aspect of Mneme's behavior. This is called a retrograde orbit. Retrograde orbits are rare and often indicate that the moon was captured by the planet's gravity rather than forming alongside it. This adds another layer of mystery to Mneme's origins. Imagine a car going the wrong way around a track. This analogy helps us understand how Mneme's retrograde orbit works. It's like it's defying the natural order, making its journey around Jupiter even more intriguing. Mneme's orbit is also tilted. This tilt, known as orbital inclination, means that Mneme doesn't follow the same plane as Jupiter's equator. Instead, it travels at an angle, adding to the complexity of its path. It doesn't travel in a perfect circle around Jupiter. Instead, its orbit is elliptical, meaning it has an elongated shape. This elliptical path causes Mneme to vary its distance from Jupiter as it travels. Instead, its path is more like an oval. This oval-shaped orbit means that sometimes Mneme is closer to Jupiter, and other times it is farther away. This variation in distance can affect the moon's speed and the gravitational forces it experiences. Mneme takes a long time to go around Jupiter. Unlike some of the planet's other moons, which may complete an orbit in just a few days, Mneme's journey is much slower. It takes about 640 Earth days to complete one orbit. This extended period is due to its distant and elongated path, making Mneme's orbit one of the most unique and captivating in our solar system. Mneme is a small moon orbiting Jupiter. Scientists think it is only about 2 kilometers wide in diameter. That's smaller than many cities on Earth, which is fascinating. It is also very dark and mysterious. Mneme doesn't reflect much sunlight at all. We don't have any close-up pictures of Mneme yet, but we think it is made of rock and ice like many other moons. It probably has a lot of craters from being hit by asteroids and comets over time. Section 4, the Ananke group, a family of moons. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is not just known for its size and iconic Great Red Spot. It also boasts a fascinating collection of moons, each with its own unique characteristics and stories. Among these, the Ananke group stands out due to its peculiar features and intriguing history. Mneme is not alone in its strange orbit. It is accompanied by several other moons that share similar paths around Jupiter. These moons, though small and distant, play a significant role in the dynamics of Jupiter's moon system. It is part of a group of moons called the Ananke group. This group is named after Ananke, one of the moons, and includes several other small moons that orbit Jupiter at great distances. These moons all travel around Jupiter in retrograde orbits. This means they move in the opposite direction to Jupiter's rotation, a characteristic that sets them apart from many other moons in the solar system. They are also tilted in similar ways. The inclinations of their orbits suggest that they share a common origin, possibly from a single parent body that was fragmented. Scientists believe that the Ananke group moons were once part of a larger object. This hypothesis is supported by the similarities in their orbits and compositions. This object may have been an asteroid that was captured by Jupiter's gravity. The immense gravitational pull of Jupiter could have drawn this asteroid into its orbit, setting the stage for the formation of the Ananke group. Over time it broke apart into the moons we see today. This process of capture and fragmentation has given rise to a family of moons that continue to intrigue and inspire scientists as they study the complex and dynamic system of Jupiter and its many satellites. Section 5. The Importance of Mneme. Even though Mneme is a small moon, it is incredibly important to study and understand. By learning about Mneme and other irregular moons, we can understand more about the history and evolution of Jupiter and our solar system. Mneme's unusual orbit tells us about the complex forces and interactions that shaped our solar system. It reminds us that there is still so much to explore and discover in the vastness of space.